I can hear eggs.
If there was a pageant for sandwiches, this would be Miss Universe. ये ऐसा experience being fed by the chef herself, it's unparalleled.
I mean, this has to go global, the cuisine.
कैरेक्टर है एक पूरी कैरेक्टर
हम इंतजार कर रहे हैं हमारे काफे के
Cafe.
ब्रू होने का।
Yes.
आज ये कॉफी नहीं है, आज ये काफे है।
Cafe है.
क्यों?
Because we are in Thane in the studio at the Vietnamese Supper Club.
To eat some very authentic Vietnamese food.
Vietnamese food. And because we don't know too much about Vietnamese food, we will call Lee and Manish to tell
Please
us.
come.
Please come.
So this
Hello.
is Lee, and she's going to cook us a fab 8-course Vietnamese meal. And we can't wait.
And this is Manish who's going to talk us through the process of cooking and eating the meal.
So shall we begin?
Yeah, shall we begin? But can we have that coffee first, please?
Sure, Lee, coffee.
Tell me how did you get the idea of having Vietnamese food in
She's
Mumbai.
a chef and
apart from her being a chef?
yeah. So we are very passionate foodies. Wherein we got married in 2019 and she came in December 2019. Right post start in February, Corona आ गया था, तो हम लोग घर पे बैठे थे, पूरा लॉकडाउन था, तो ये सब चीज़ें ट्राई करती थी. बीइंग अ पंजाबी तो पंजाबी फूड ट्राई करती थी, महाराष्ट्रियन फूड ट्राई करती थी, साउथ इंडियन फूड ट्राई करती थी. फिर इसको लगता था कि नहीं, यहाँ पे एक ऑथेंटिक वियतनामीज़ फूड नहीं है, तो मुझे कुछ वियतनामीज़ फूड इंट्रोड्यूस करना चाहिए मार्केट में. फिर वहाँ से शी स्टार्टेड अ क्लाउड किचन, वहाँ पे एक क्लाउड किचन खोला. फिर देन ये साल में शी ओपनड द सपर क्लब.
Supper Club is quite a new concept in Mumbai. आपको Vietnamese 1 or 2 dishes Asian restaurants में
हाँ,
मिल
लेकिन
जाती
पैन
है.
एशियन रेस्टोरेंट में एक दो ऐसे मिल जाते हैं.
But to be really introduced to this cuisine and right from scratch and to be introduced through an experience जहाँ पर आप खाने को बनते हुए देख रहे हैं और 1 by 1 उसको experience कर रहे हैं, ये actually बहुत ही अलग एक अनुभव है.
Oh, love it.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Cheers to some
Cheers. Cheers. Lee.
Cheers.
chilled coffee on a hot summer afternoon.
And in Vietnamese, cheers is Mo Thai Ba Yo.
Yo,
Yo.
Mo Thai Ba Yo.
Yo.
Mo Thai Ba Yo.
Mo Thai Ba Yo.
You guys have to have it.
Delicious.
Bobby, no cleaning right now. You need talk and.
पियो, जल्दी पियो. Oh, this is
कैसा है?
Beautiful,
Very
it's
nice.
delicious,
Very
it's
nice.
calming.
So we are now on the table. अगर आप यहाँ से देखोगे तो एक कैमरा वहाँ पे है because that's the experience. It's going to be live cooking and live eating and
Live talking.
Live talking. He's going to take us through the food. What are we eating?
First, we are eating the summer roll. We
Summer
start
rolls.
with summer rolls.
Hence the hat.
With the peanut sauce.
Summer roll. Lee, what's your favorite amongst all of these?
I like it summer roll. Here.
You like this, the summer roll, the most?
One time I eat 10, 15 roll.
One time I eat 10-50.
Wow, you don't look like you eat 10, 15 rolls.
No, I eat a lot.
So Lee's going to show us how it's done.
food, then you open mouth very big. Then you
Thank you.
And this is the same sauce.
same sauce. You try.
What sauce is this?
पीनट सॉस
Peanut sauce.
ये भी यहीं पे सारी सॉसेस है घर पे स्क्रैच से बनाती है
How?
Wow. You really had to open your mouth wide and
Need open mouth big and eat and enjoy.
to taste all of it.
Food Vietnam like this only.
I can taste every vegetable that's gone into it, and the sauces are another notch.
I love the pineapple in this.
या पाइनएप्पल
Love it.
एक एक्स्ट्रा टेक्सचर ऐड हो जाता है विद द ग्लास नूडल्स विद द हर्ब्स विद द लेटस क्रंचीनेस भी है और थोड़ा स्वीटनेस भी आ जाता है पाइनएप्पल से जैसे हम लोग भी है इंडिया में क्या होता है लाइक यू हैव ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ फूड आपको नॉर्थ इंडियन भी है साउथ इंडियन भी है महाराष्ट्रन भी है लेकिन वियतनाम में भी वैसा है आपको 1000 टाइप की डिशेस मिलेंगे लेकिन हमको भी ये देखना है कि कौन सी डिशेस इंडियन पैलेट के लिए सूटेबल रहेंगी या और बाकी जो सिग्नेचर डिशेस हैं चाहे बैन मी सैंडविचेस हैं या फर है सो दैट एवरीबडी नोज अभी सबको पता चल गया कि क्या फेमस डिशेस हैं द पपाया सैलेड
Papaya salad.
Like a Vietnamese save puri.
या
You can boost same.
Well done.
You eat then you say, then more. How in Vietnam they eat.
एंड वियतनाम में ना लाइक व्हेन यू आर ईटिंग मेकिंग दैट जैसे हम लोग इंडिया में है कि वो खाने क्या हो क्योंकि उसमें क्रंचीनेस भी काफी होता है सो व्हेन यू आर हैविंग दैट इट्स नॉट कंसिडर्ड बैड कि हाँ फूड की नॉइज आ रही है जो
You can eat noisily.
हाँ नॉइजली और जैसे आप सूप भी पी रहे हो ना व्हेन यू आर हैविंग अ स्लर्प एक स्लर्प पी रहे हो इट्स कंसिडर्ड गुड ओनली
Superb and so light. So these are chicken wings and these are-
चिकन विंग्स विद स्किन
लेकिन इस लेटस में आप ये चीजें रोल करके you can make your own.
हाँ, but I want to try the.
आप पहले ऐसे ही खाओ
So how about I can make a roll with this, right?
यस यू कैन मेक दैट्स अ लिटिल स्पाइसी
It's amazing. Even after being deep fried, it's so fresh and it's
Yeah,
so.
crispy on the outside, very crispy.
हाँ, और अंदर भी एक क्रंच है. It's
Under
not
crunch
gone all
है, yeah,
soggy.
yeah, yeah.
Oh, this spring roll is so delicious. उसके बाहर का जो coating है वो outstanding.
Yeah.
It's not like any other spring roll.
You also try it with this sauce. This is the Nuoc Cham sauce.
Oh wow.
Oh.
The crunch level is blowing my mind.
Is 300. Dip it full on.
हाँ अच्छे से एकदम.
Get
Yes.
a few of those.
Julian.
Yeah,
Very
Julian
well.
as well. Yes. Yeah. Julian तो आपने डाला भी है. Try it.
I understand the idea of having even your protein with something green.
Green, yeah,
it just,
exactly.
It just elevates the flavor,
Flavor,
of,
yeah, exactly.
of both.
सब हो जाता है. प्रोटीन भी आ
veggies
जाता है और क्रंचीनेस
हाँ.
भी आ जाता है और रिफ्रेशिंग भी लगता है.
and- I mean, this has to go global. The cuisine.
I'm gonna try the wing now. Honey glazed chicken wing.
I can hear eggs.
So she's making the banh mi sandwich बना रही है.
हाँ.
Plus, again, the Vietnamese sauce which she makes for the banh mi, separate special sauce.
And now the sauteed chicken.
Grilled chicken
Fried
on
egg.
top of it.
And now, like Lee said, इसको ऐसे पकड़ो.
And just
Let's
banh mi.
Banh mi sandwich, yes.
Oh man.
If there was a pageant for sandwiches, this would be Miss Universe. Beautiful, delicious, full of substance. It's beautiful. The bread is so delicious. The pate,
Yeah, the liver part there.
And again, like in every dish that we've had, वो जो veggies का जो crunch
Crunch है.
here comes Lee with a steaming bowl of
Pho.
pho.
Put basil mung sprouts also. Wow.
Oh, it's hotter than I thought.
Very hot.
Oh, it's a different soy sauce.
Soya sauce, yes.
But it's a thick soya sauce.
Yes.
This is that broth for the soul.
I don't have words.
Yeah, I just want to be quiet and slurp away.
Since it's not bad manners in Vietnam.
Yes, that's a good manners.
Now let's try with this. Oh my god.
I would like to have this once again on a rainy day.
Yes. For us, जब क्लाउड किचन था तो हम लोग को फर के ऑर्डर्स तो लाइक इट्स वन ऑफ द सिग्नेचर वियतनामीज डिशेस, तो फर के ऑर्डर्स काफ़ी आते थे. लेकिन हम क्लाउड किचन में एक ऑर्डर देखते थे 30 फर्स, 35 फर्स, 40 फर्स. हम देख रहे थे यार ये कैसे हो रहा है कि एक ही आदमी मतलब ये एक ही पीपल इतने सारे एक ही फर के ऑर्डर्स क्यों दे रहा है. तो हमको तो कोई डिलीवरी पार्टनर से कोई डेटा नहीं मिलता है. सो आई आस्क्ड द डिलीवरी बॉय कि ये जा कहाँ रहा है, इतने फर जा कहाँ रहे हैं. तो कह रहा हॉस्पिटल में जा रहा है क्योंकि डॉक्टर ने फर खाया है और उन्होंने बोला कि ये तो परफेक्ट है पेशेंट्स के लिए क्योंकि एकदम हेल्दी ब्रॉथ है, हेल्दी है और प्रोटीन जा रहा है. तो वो हॉस्पिटल में भी वो जा रहा था फर. तो इट्स अ कंफर्ट परफेक्ट कंफर्ट फूड है. नूडल्स या ब्रॉथ.
Lee,
Yeah.
superb. The pho is beautiful.
No. Okay. No super.
Super, yes, super.
Okay. Okay.
She's very modest.
Clearly, she doesn't even want to talk. She doesn't want to be seen. But her
When
work is doing all the talking.
When I cook, I only is focus on my food only.
Mo Thai by yo.
Mo Thai Ba Yo.
Oh man.
Oh, man.
Actually, इनको ऐसे ही पीना चाहिए, है ना? ये चम्मच में मत छोड़ो.
Lee is preparing the
Lemongrass.
Prawns. Prawns, pineapple, veggies.
I am so blessed to be fed by your hands, honestly.
Mouth open.
Ah!
No, inside mouth.
Bite. Yeah.
Mm. The skewer by itself is so delicious. Even if you ever went to a Vietnamese restaurant, ये ऐसा experience being fed by the chef herself and being served one after the other. You watch it being made, then you eat it. It's unparalleled, right? You said duplicate कर ही नहीं सकते इसे.
Absolutely.
You have to just drive down to Thane for this.
Yes, you have to. Again, my chopsticks are automatically going to the.
This is the first time I've seen Mohit eat so many veggies.
This is the first time I've seen myself eating so many veggies.
ये क्या हो गया?
Okay, there's some more coffee.
No coffee, this is the dessert, the caramel flan.
Thank you.
This is caramel custard with coffee.
Yeah, caramel custard with coffee.
No. No.
Super normal.
It's so delicious, and I would normally not imagine those little ice cubes on top of this custard. But like everything else we experienced today, the change of texture and the crunch, including in the dessert, is changing the
It's just
game.
a very pleasing experience.
Character है एक पूरी character.
I'm just so high on food, man.
Here.
The Studio Vietnamese Supper Club में आप जल्दी घाई करके नहीं आ सकते. You have to come here for a long evening.
Longish experience for
Yes.
sure.
आराम से शाम बिताइए, आराम से खाइए, नए लोगों से मिलिए, नई कंपनी एंजॉय करिए,
Yes.
नया एक्सपीरियंस लीजिए. Don't rush to it. This is not your meal on the go. This is a day and an evening to stay here.
Absolutely.
You need to pre-book this, so you can't walk in here.
Yes.
But you can come here solo or with a group of 14, up to 14, right?
And all the booking details are in the description. So yeah, come book, eat, have fun.
That's about it. खाते
Yes.
रहिए, खाते रहिए और पूछते रहिए. खाने में.
Let Lee say this.
खाने में
क्या है?
क्या है?
क्या है?
क्या है?